Well, hello, REI Club. My name is Lee Arnold, and I'm the CEO of Cogo Capital, a nationwide private money lender. And our mutual friend, Tim Randall, Tim and I have known each other over a decade, and he just does an amazing job here at the REI Club. But he asked if I would come in and, as a lender, talk to you about the sweet spot for deals. Lee, what type of deals should my clients be looking for that we're going to get immediate funding for? So I want to take you guys to our main website. This is cogocapital.com, and I want you to scroll down here to the bottom of the main page. And what you're going to see is the sweet spot for the deals that we want you guys finding. Okay? Number one, if you want to get fast funding and not be in a situation where you have a property that you can't sell, we're going to focus on residential real estate, 1 to 4 units. So single family, duplex, triplex, fourplex. We're going to focus in on residential only. Then we want properties that are less than 2,800 square feet, because the bigger they get, the more expensive the remodels are, the longer it takes to get it back on market. We're looking for quick turn, in and out, make a quick $15,000, $20,000, $30,000 with minimal investment in labor costs and rehab costs. So we're going to be 2,800 square feet or less per unit. Also, the sales price. We don't want to be doing anything in properties, especially if we're wholesaling or flipping, where our retail sales price or our exit exceeds the FHA cap. Now, if you're not sure what the FHA cap is in your market, I want you to, again, go right here to this page and simply select your state. So let's say you're in the state of Georgia, all right? And you live in, let's say that you live in, let's just go with Ben Hill County, okay? Right here you can see that in Ben Hill County, a single family home, the FHA cap is $331,760, which means you want to be going out and finding properties that you can buy below this number, including your purchase price, your rehab costs, your sales costs, your financing costs, so that your buyer, the person who's going to buy the house from you, will not be paying more than $331,760. Now, the lower you can get, the further you can be below that FHA cap number, the easier the property is going to be to sell, because this number represents 80% of the buyers in any market across the United States of America. That FHA cap, the minute you go above it, 80% of your federally financed, that's FHA, VA, HUD, the minute you go above this number, 80% of your buyers can no longer purchase your property. And that is a massive amount of buyers that you can no longer market to, sell to. So we want to buy properties and sell them into an 80% share of the market, which means we stay below the FHA cap. So I want you guys to go to cogocapital.com, put in your state, put in your county, find out what that cap is, and then start finding these types of properties. So we've got residential single family, duplex, triplex, fourplex. We've got home sales that will not exceed the FHA cap on the retail price. We've got individual units that do not exceed 2,800 square feet per unit. So if you're buying a duplex, that's 2,800 square feet per side, not total square footage. The same is true on a triplex or a fourplex, okay? We do not want properties that have more than 5 bedrooms or 3 baths. They're just too big, okay? 5 bedrooms, 3 baths, and 2,800 square feet, your rehab costs are gonna run $50,000 to $75,000. Now, while the margins might be there, to do $75,000 worth of work on a piece of real estate can take you months. And we only get paid when we sell. In real estate, we make our money when we buy, we realize our investment when we sell. So we need to find properties that are smaller in nature, that need very little rehab, so that we can go in and within weeks get it purchased, get it cleaned up, get it back on the market for sale so that we can get paid that much more quickly. And then lastly, you guys, we want to avoid properties that have greater than a half of an acre of acreage. Okay? Now, some of you live in pretty rural areas, and so the average lot is 5 to 10 acres. Here's what you need to know. Most people do not want to manage acreage. You know, I live on 10 acres. I'm developing 50 acres for an RV park. Acreage is expensive. Acreage requires tools and equipment. and most people don't want it. So when you're buying properties with large tracts of land, they're going to take longer to sell than if you're buying properties that sit on 5, 6, 7,000 square foot lots in town, close to town, where people want to live, people want to buy, they're affordable, and they can get government financing. If you guys will stay in this sweet spot, you will never have a problem getting financing, you will never have a problem getting it sold, you will never have a problem sitting on inventory that's stagnating and costing you a fortune just to service the debt on it, okay? So go to cogocapital.com, all you gotta do is stay on the main page, find out the FHA cap in your market, play below it, and you're gonna make a lot of money in a very short period of time.